What if I told you that one skill you already have could become a simple way to earn money online? Fast Money Marian here, and today I'm showing you how to turn your skills into a simple online income. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find your skill, turn it into an offer, find people who need it, and start building income online step by step. Most people think they have no skills, but that is usually not true. A skill can be something simple that you already do well. Your skill does not have to be complicated. If you can help someone save time, solve a problem, or improve something, that skill may be valuable. You might be good at writing, editing videos, designing in Canva, organizing files, managing emails, tutoring, researching, or posting on social media. Ask yourself this: what do people already ask me for help with? That answer can point you toward your first online income idea. The easiest way to start is by turning your skill into a service. A service means you help someone directly, and they pay you for that help.
Do not say, "I can do anything." Instead, make your offer clear. Say exactly who you help and what problem you solve.
For example, you can say, "I help small businesses create social media posts," or "I help job seekers improve their resumes." Simple offers are easier to sell. One mistake beginners make is trying to offer too many things at once. Start with one skill, one service, and one type of customer. Once you know your skill, think about who needs it. Is it small business owners, students, job seekers, content creators, coaches, or busy professionals? After you know who needs your help, find where they spend time online. They may be on Facebook groups, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or freelance websites. When you find people online, do not spam them. Be helpful first. Answer questions, share tips, and let people see that you understand their problem. People buy from people they trust. Before asking for money, show that you can help. Give simple advice, share examples, and speak clearly. If you have no clients yet, create sample work. Make a sample design, write a sample caption, edit a sample video, or create a sample resume.
Your portfolio does not need to be fancy. You can use a Google Doc, a Canva page, a simple website, or even screenshots of your best work.
When you are new, start with a beginner-friendly price. Do not undercharge forever, but make it easy for your first few customers to say yes.
Make it easy for someone to work with you. Tell them what you offer, what they will receive, how long it takes, and how they can contact you. When reaching out, keep your message short and friendly. Mention the problem you noticed, how you can help, and ask if they would like more details. Here is a simple example. "Hi, I noticed your business posts online. I help create simple social media graphics. Would you like me to send a few ideas?" When someone gives you a chance, deliver good work. Be clear, be on time, and communicate well. Your first customer can lead to more customers. After you finish the work, ask for feedback. Feedback helps you improve, and a good review can help you get your next customer. One happy client can become a repeat income. Ask if they need help again next week, next month, or with another small project. To grow, create a simple system. Have a place for your samples, a short message, a clear price, and a simple way for customers to pay you. Do not wait until you feel perfect. You will learn by doing. Start small, improve with practice, and keep your promises. Real online income takes effort. Be careful with anyone promising instant riches. Focus on skills, service, trust, and steady progress. Here is your simple action plan. Choose one skill, create one offer, make 3 samples, contact 10 people, and deliver your best work. Remember, you do not need to know everything. You just need one useful skill, one clear offer, and one person who needs your help. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to Fast Money Marian, and comment the skill you want to turn into income. Your first online income step can start today.